around the chair on the top, right? And just above the umbilicus, try a self-abdominal pressure, right? Because you are alone and there is no one around. So try this self-abdominal thrust, right? Clear, sir?
Yes.
Raise the hand and keep it behind the head. So इनका ये वाला हाथ उठा के सर के पीछे रख दीजिए, ऊपर पीछे हाथ, नहीं सर के पीछे मत ना। Now the other hand, दूसरे हाथ को आपको फोल्ड करके यहाँ पर कान के पास, अपोजिट साइड। वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट, राइट। अब इस हाथ को पकड़ के रखिएगा क्योंकि पेशेंट बेहोश है। आप इस हाथ को छोड़ेंगे तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा। So you have to keep the hand holding over here itself. इस हाथ से, अब इस हाथ से आपको इस पंख को फोल्ड करना है। फोल्ड कीजिए, फोल्ड करना है। परफेक्ट, राइट। अब आपको पेशेंट को अपनी तरफ रोल करना है जब तक कि एल्बो और नी दोनों ग्राउंड को टच ना करें। रोल कीजिए प्लीज, अपनी तरफ रोल, रोल। वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट, राइट। दिस इज द रिकवरी पोजीशन, राइट। अभी अगर आप पेशेंट का फेस देखेंगे तो फेस क्या है, नीचे की तरफ है, यानी टंग ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं करेगा एयरवे को। दूसरा, सिक्रीशन जो है वो बाहर आएंगे, वो अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, राइट।
You'll use a combination of back slaps and chest thrusts to help remove the object blocking the airway. Hold the infant face down on your forearm. Support the infant's head and jaw with your hand. Give up to 5 back slaps with the heel of your other hand between the infant's shoulder blades. If the object does not come out after 5 back slaps, turn the infant on his back, supporting his head. Give up to 5 chest thrusts using 2 fingers of your other hand to push on the chest in the same place you push during CPR. Repeat giving 5 back slaps and 5 chest thrusts until the infant can breathe, cough, or cry, or until he becomes unresponsive. If the infant becomes unresponsive, do the following. Place the infant face up onto a firm, flat surface, then shout for help. If someone comes to help, have that person phone 911 and get an AED. If you're alone and you have a cell phone, phone 911 and put it on speaker mode. Provide chest compressions in the same place as you would for CPR. After 30 compressions, open the airway and look in the mouth. If you see an object in the mouth, take it out. Give 2 breaths. Each time you give breaths, check the mouth for an object and remove it if you see it. Repeat giving sets of 30 compressions and 2 breaths. After 5 sets of 30 compressions and 2 breaths, if no one has come to help and you do not have a cell phone, then take the infant with you and phone 911 and get an AED. Use the AED as soon as it is available. Keep providing 30 compressions and 2 breaths, checking the mouth for an object after each set of compressions until the object comes out, the infant starts to respond, or someone with more advanced training arrives and takes over. Give only back slaps and chest thrusts to an infant. Giving thrusts to the abdomen of an infant could cause serious harm. Any infant who has been given back slaps and chest thrusts should be seen by a healthcare provider as soon as possible.
Back slaps कहाँ पर? On the center of the back, दोनों shoulder blades के बीच में, right? And it should be forward movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 back slaps. Then hold the head and rotate the baby, right? Look into the mouth, whether you are able to see the particle or not. अगर पार्टिकल नहीं दिख रहा है तो देन 5 चेस्ट थ्रस्ट कहाँ पर करने चेस्ट थ्रस्ट
Just below the
just
line.
below the intermemory line. Thank you very much, right? So 5 chest thrusts, 1 2 3 4 5, and again back slaps, right? 5 back slaps, 5 chest thrusts. Till when you'll continue these back slaps and chest thrusts? Till either the particle comes out or either the infant become unresponsive. If the infant become unresponsive, then we have to start CPR. Before that, we have to call for an ambulance, ask someone to call for an ambulance, ask him to get an AD, and then you continue with CPR. If you're alone, then you have to go either, if you have cell phone, yes, you can call immediately, right? If there is an AED around, go get an AED and then continue CPR, right? Here's a